Okay, I've studied the script a little more, and I think I understand now all of the functionality built into it. The first thing we do, of course, and I think I already made this clear, is we define our variables. BD1 in this case is going to be equal to the first aircraft group, base defense 1. BD1 can be any word you want as long as it's not a reserved word. And so I could have called it, BD underscore 1, B underscore D underscore 1. I could have called it base defense 1 without spaces. It can't be the same as the name that's already in use. So, and we do the same thing with BD2 and so forth for each of our aircraft groups. Now, here we set a variable to a number between 1 and 4. And RandBD, this is another named variable. Rand just happens to be what I want to use to identify it as being random. But it could be anything. It's not our use, but we want to make it meaningful. So what this does, this is the variable, and it's equal to, and this is the function, math.random. This will pull a number between 1 and 4, and it will assign it to this variable. So as soon as we run this command right here, RandBD is equal to a number between 1 and 4. And then we define an array, our table BD, and we define it with these brackets, and we've defined it with the 4 variables as defined up here. And so this is a variable now equal to all 4 of these variables. Now this is going to be our active unit. This is a brand new variable at BD underscore 1 to distinguish it from BD1. And this function right here actually extracts from the table, this table, one of these variables. Which one? Well, that depends on the position. It depends on what RandBD is equal to. So if RandDB was assigned the number 1, then it's going to pull BD1, and it's going to set BD underscore 1 equal to BD1. And then it's going to spawn that variable BD1, which is the base defense 1 unit. And so this right here is what actually pulls that random number as previously defined up here and assigns it to this. And so it equates, this table has positions, this array, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if RandomDB is 3, then it's going to pull the third one, and so on. And so that's how that works.